There's Leonardo. Sleeping boy. Huh, puppy. Hi, Moke. Hi, Mokey. Hi, Mokey, baby. And there's Heidi. Heidi! Hi, Sierra. Little cute puppies. Hi, Bailey. You've been having way too much fun. Huh, Bailey? Hi, sweet babies. Scooter. Hi, Scoot. Hi, Scooter, baby. Hi, Scooter. Hi, Scooter. Oh, you little cutie. Yeah, why you're so cute. Oh, careful, careful, guys. Careful. Hi, Jack Jack. Hi, Jackie boy. Hi, Jack Jack. Hi, Nico. Hi, you cutie pie. Tucker. There's Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Woo. Hi, Ducks. And there's Lona. There's our Lona. Maddie. Maddie babies. And there's Pepper. Oh, Tommy. Look at Tommy. Oh, you're such a nice boy. Let everybody smell you. You're such a nice boy.
So handsome, you got shades.
Yeah, he has a nice haircut.
Okay. Okay, Tommy.
And there's Heidi. Augie. Augie, baby. Hi, Augie. There's Gracie. Hi, Gracie. Pepper. Pepper. Come here, Pepper. Maximo. Ginger. Puppies, come here. You little cuties, I'll come see you. Oh, my goodness. Sammy, are you going to get Tommy? Are you going to get him?
Tucker.
There's our Snoop Dogg. There's the little puppies. Hi, Ginger. Hi, Pepper. Hi, you little cuties. Hi, guys. Yeah, I see you. Little cute babies. Hi, Heidi. And there's Shelby. Hi, Shelb. You laying on your bed? All right. Wendy, little puppy. There's the Wendy girl. Hi, Wendy girl. Hi, sweetheart. You're so cute, huh? And there's Maximo hanging in the sun. Huh, Maxie? Millie. Hi, Millie. Where's Zero?
Zero's right there.
Zero! Hi, little Zero. Hi, little Zero. I know you're so cute. You're a cute little guy, aren't you? Sage. Hi, Sage. Hi, sweetheart. Yes, you are sweet. Yes, you're sweet. Oh, hi, Sage. Hi, Sage. Hi, sweetheart. Millie. Zero. Come on, puppies. Come up here. Come on, let's go. Puppies, this way.
Hey guys, easy.
There's Banjo.
Yes. Who wants to go swimming?
Gypsy. Gypsy. Are you taking a nap, girl?
Baby. Hello, baby.
Hi, Lona. How's my Lona? How's that girl? Huh? Just a sweet girl. Puppies! Bailey! Hi, Bailey girl. You're just having a blast today, aren't you? You got in the water, sat in the pool, playing with the toy. She is so cute.
Wendy's like, it's just too far.
Yeah. And Maddie, playing with Maddie. It's so cute. You guys gonna come up here? Hey, where'd you go? Rocky, you've been playing all morning too. Is this your nap time? Is this your nap time, little buddy? Hmm? Yeah, you're tired.
Come on, guys, easy.
Oh, Maddie.
What, Natty? What is it, Natty?
Rico. Rico Star. I see you. I see you. Sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah, get nice and comfortable, Snoop Dogg. There's our Wendy baby. There's the Wendy baby. Maximo's gonna take your toy. Maximo's gonna take it. Now they're gonna play tug of war, huh, you cuties?
Oh my goodness. Baby, baby.
Okay. Blaze and Sierra are going home? All right, puppies. Sierra, yeah. Okay, puppies. We'll see you guys later.